In the description of this video found below, we've identified two links. One is a link that identifies to you how to easily tell if it's time to replace your down comforter. Down comforters do wear out, and you will at some point in time need to replace yours. In addition, we've got a link that will take you to our category page for down comforters, where we identify the different options that are available here at Vero Linens. Now, down comforters come in a couple different construction styles. We're going to talk about the three most popular. Now, the first one is a channel quilt. This is a channel quilt. Very long channels that run from the top of the comforter to the foot of the comforter. The problem with this down comforter is the down continuously will migrate to the foot of the down comforter. So you'll find yourself every week or so standing at the foot of your bed, shaking that down comforter to redistribute that down and bring the down back up to the top of the down comforter itself, where you want most of the warmth and insulation. This construction style also has cold spots where the channels are sewn, the seam, there's literally no down in those seams, so cold spots are possible. The next construction style is the sewn through. Now, this is likely the most popular construction style that is sold. The down does stay in its place. The quilting or the stitching holds the down in those specific compartments. Again, the problem with this comfort style is cold spots. And if you take a look again at this illustration, you can see where it is sewn, there's literally no down. Third construction style is the baffle box. Now, all the comforters we sell at Vero are baffle box, and what this means is that each compartment has this sidewall in each one of these compartments, and what that does is it allows the down to loft more fully, and it eliminates all cold spots. This is a premium construction. It does cost a little bit more, but we think it is worth the few dollars that does impact its price. Something you should also consider, when purchasing your next down comforter is country of origin. Now, the vast majority of the down comforters and likely pillows that are sold in this country are produced in China. The cleanliness of the down is frequently brought into question. Our down comforters are made in the USA. The thread count of the shell is something you should give some consideration to as well. You should likely look for a sateen, a 300 thread count or more. And what that does is it eliminates that scratchy noise that can occur between your down comforter, lower thread count, maybe a percale cover, shell, and your duvet cover. You pick up a little bit of scratchy noise. Some people find that quite annoying. You should look for a cotton shell, 100% cotton. In addition to that, you should be looking for the down fill with a minimum of a 600 fill power. Now, should you have any questions, bedding related of course, give us a call, send us an email. We're always happy to assist. And I'd like to thank you for taking a couple minutes here to watch this video, and thanks for your interest in Vero Linens.